Do you want to feel like you are in the front row of a concert? Here how to adjust your Mercedes GLB sounds focus. Let's start by using the home screen, swipe to the left a few times to open settings. So let's tap settings, the GLB icon, and here the settings starts with the assistance, but you can go to the fourth tab, which is system. Under system you can navigate by using this left menu, choose here audio, and by using audio you can scroll down to entertainment. Then from the entertainment let's choose balance and fader. As you can see, you can use the balance and fader, so you can drag it anywhere in the cabin, as you can see right here. If you're driving alone, move it towards the driver's seat for more immersive experience. So let me, for example, keep it here. But for example, if you are driving with your kids and your kids are sleeping, you can just use the front speaker bar, moving the following focus here, for example. And if you mess it up and you would like to bring the default settings, all you need to do is tap the reset button and it will go to the 00 position. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.